Bob says, I have found a product in China that is ready to go and they are not on amazon.com.au. Is there any reason not to pursue them? Okay, so given that you have done your due diligence on that marketplace on amazon.com.au and you are confident as you can be that it's a good niche and that there's sales volume and that you're going to make yourself some money and that you're selling a product that you like and you're selling a product that's a good product and you've got some samples and things like that. So given that you've done your due diligence, then there's no good reason not to go after it. Go for your life, mate. You got to follow the data. You got to do the research. There is no shortcuts. Follow the data. If the data says yes, then go for it, and then you'll see the real world. You can only ever get an approximation towards the truth, but the ultimate truth is the result that you get. The ultimate truth is going to be the result that you actually get. So you get an approximation based on data points. Here's what I think is going to happen based on da-da-da-da-da. And then you put it to a test, and then you actually get the truth based on the results. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.